Trying to figure out the best way to clean your Frigidaire gas range? No worries, you're just a few steps away from easy cleaning. Before you start cleaning, safety first. Make sure the burners are off and cool. If you spilled something on or in a lower area, blot the spill with an absorbent cloth. If there's any residue, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe the area, then dry. To clean a burner cap, remove the cap from the burner. Clean the cap with warm soapy water. Dry it thoroughly and set it aside. For the burner head, use warm soapy water to soften the burned or dried-on spills. Use a toothbrush to clean all over the burner head, also cleaning the slots and holes in the burner. If the ignition port is clogged, use a needle or fine wire to clean it out. Wipe the burner head clean with a soft, clean cloth or sponge. Once the burner head is clean, replace the burner cap. The burner cap should be centered on the burner head and click into place. Wiggle the cap to make sure it doesn't move off the burner head. If the burner cap is not properly seated, you may experience issues with your burner flame. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.